Are you ready to unveil the secrets of today's market? In a landscape where tech stocks soar while energy and finance face challenges, understanding these shifts can lead you to financial triumph. Welcome to AI Finance Buddy, your guide to the latest market trends and must-watch stocks. Today, we'll explore the mixed market sentiment. We'll highlight Lovesac's remarkable 12.1% rise, Byrna Technologies' explosive growth, and SkyWest's potential for significant returns. I'll also share a vital lesson on tracking your net worth, an insight that could transform your financial future. And don't overlook Gabriela Martinez's inspiring journey. From a $10,000 investment to $18,000, her story proves that patience and smart choices yield rewards. Stay with us, for your financial awakening begins now. Chapter 1, Today's Market News. Today, the market sentiment is mixed. Tech stocks shine brightly, fueled by strong earnings and excitement around AI. Meanwhile, energy and financials face challenges from rising interest rates and economic uncertainty. Investor sentiment is swayed by recent earnings reports and ongoing trade tensions, especially with China, sending ripples through various sectors. Let's look at the top 3 biggest stock movers. First, Lovesac, celebrated for its innovative modular furniture, astonished investors with an earnings report of $2.13 per share, far exceeding expectations. This stellar performance sparked a 12.1% surge in its stock price. The robust demand highlights its growth potential, making it a prime choice for investors. The buy score is 85 out of 100. Next, Byrna Technologies, a leader in non-lethal personal security, reported earnings of 6 cents per share, surpassing estimates. With a remarkable 57% year-over-year revenue growth, fueled by new retail channels, Byrna's stock is gaining momentum. Its low debt-to-equity ratio of 0.045 lays a strong foundation for future growth. The buy score is 85 out of 100. Finally, SkyWest, a regional airline, is soaring with a projected stock price growth of 44.36%, suggesting it may be undervalued. Despite a recent dip, its strong financial health, marked by a Piotrowski score of 8, indicates efficient operations. Investors should consider the potential for significant returns as travel demand rebounds. The buy score is 85 out of 100. Today's market reveals that technology is a dominant force, while energy and financials navigate their challenges. Keep a watchful eye on upcoming earnings reports from major banks and tech firms. They will illuminate the economic landscape. Remember, staying informed and adaptable is essential in this ever-evolving market. Embrace the journey, for within it lies the key to your financial awakening. Chapter 2, Simple Finance Terms Explained. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is like the heartbeat of the stock market, a report card for 30 major U.S. companies. When the score rises, it signals a thriving economy. When it falls, it's a call to pay attention. It's the pulse of our financial world. In turbulent times, investors seek refuge. They shift their money from risky stocks to safer havens like bonds or gold. It's akin to grabbing an umbrella in a storm, shielding yourself from the downpour of uncertainty. Think of the central bank as the economy's referee. Like the Federal Reserve in the US, it manages the money supply and interest rates, ensuring balance. Imagine it as a thermostat, fine-tuning the temperature to keep our financial environment stable and comfortable. In this dance of finance, remember, awareness is your greatest ally. Stay informed, stay safe, and navigate the storm with confidence. Chapter 3, Top Stock Pick of the Day. Today, let's explore why Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSM, shines as a brilliant investment choice. TSM stands tall in the semiconductor industry, the heartbeat of technology, from smartphones to AI. Here are 3 compelling reasons to consider. First, TSM generates impressive revenue of $111.62 per share, with a net income of $45.25 per share. They're not just selling, they're thriving, keeping a significant portion as profit. Second, with a debt-to-equity ratio of just 0.23, TSM stands on solid ground. They owe little compared to their assets, ensuring financial stability and reduced risk. Third, a current ratio of 2.44 reveals TSM's strength. They possess ample short-term assets to cover liabilities, signaling reliability for investors. Yet, caution is wise. Global trade tensions and tariffs could pose challenges, as TSM depends on international markets. Shifts in technology trends or rising competition may also impact growth. In essence, TSM's robust profits, low debt, and strong liquidity make it a compelling buy for the near future. Stay vigilant, and watch the market unfold. Chapter 4, Core Long-Term Strategy with ETF. Picture a vibrant garden, not just a single bloom. That's the beauty of ETFs, exchange-traded funds. They allow you to invest in a bouquet of stocks, simplifying your journey and reducing risk. Now, envision the MSCI World Index as a global map, showcasing the finest companies from 23 developed nations. When one flower fades, others thrive, enhancing your potential for growth over time. MSCI Incorporated stands tall in the investment realm, guiding investors toward wise choices. Their latest presentation offers valuable insights for those eager to enhance their investment strategies. Consider the iShares MSCI World ETF, URTH. It's your gateway to a diverse array of global companies, all in one fund. Recent trade tensions, like those between the US and China, may stir anxiety, yet they also unveil new opportunities. Staying informed about these shifts empowers your decisions. MSCI is your compass in the investment landscape, and tools like URTH make global investing accessible. Remember, knowledge is your greatest ally. Investing carries risks, be patient and only use funds you can afford to set aside. Chapter 5, Quick Financial Lesson. Tracking your net worth is like capturing a moment of your financial vitality. It reveals the balance between what you own, your assets, and what you owe, your liabilities. Picture this, you have a bike valued at $500 and a savings account with $1,000. But you also carry a $300 credit card debt. Your net worth stands at $1,200, calculated as $1,500 in assets minus $300 in liabilities. Now, imagine committing to track your net worth each month. At first, it may seem daunting, but soon, you'll witness your growth. Perhaps you pay off that credit card and save an additional $100. Each month becomes a celebration of progress, a step closer to financial freedom. Here's a simple yet powerful tip: set a reminder to check your net worth regularly, like the first of every month. This practice keeps you motivated and aware of your financial path. Remember, it's not just about the figures, it's about crafting a future filled with security and liberation. Embrace this journey, for every small victory leads to a life of abundance. Chapter 6, Real Stories of Financial Success. In the vibrant heart of Santiago, Chile, Gabriela Martinez began her financial journey in 2018. A passionate marketing professional, she set her sights on investing. With purpose, she dedicated a portion of her salary to mutual funds and local bonds, focusing on the Chilean stock market and the iShares Chile ETF. For 5 years, Gabriela remained steadfast, contributing even through market ups and downs. By 2023, her initial investment of $10,000 blossomed into $18,000, fueled by smart asset allocation and the magic of compounding returns. Through her journey, Gabriela discovered the power of patience and the strength of diversification. She learned that consistent investments can yield remarkable growth over time. Her story is a beacon of hope, reminding us that with commitment and informed choices, we can all forge a brighter financial future. So, take that first step today, your future self will be grateful. Chapter 7, Summary and Personal Investment Strategy. Thank you for being with us today. Let's recap the key insights we explored. In Chapter 1, we saw a mixed market. Tech stocks soared on strong earnings, while energy and finance faced hurdles. Notable performers included Lovesac, Byrna Technologies, and SkyWest, each brimming with growth potential. In Chapter 2, we clarified essential terms like the Dow Jones Industrial Average, a pulse on major U.S. companies, and flight to safety, where investors seek refuge during market storms. Grasping these concepts is vital for navigating finance. In Chapter 3, our top pick, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSM, shines with profitability, low debt, and strong liquidity. While risks exist, TSM's solid fundamentals make it a worthy investment. In Chapter 4, we discussed the iShares MSCI World ETF, URTH, a gateway to global diversification. This strategy reduces risks and boosts growth, especially in uncertain times. In Chapter 5, tracking your net worth is essential. Regularly assessing your assets and liabilities keeps you motivated on your path to financial freedom. In Chapter 6, we shared Gabriela Martinez's journey, turning a $10,000 investment into $18,000 through patience and smart choices. Her story illustrates the power of consistent investing and diversification. Today, I'm adding $15 to my MSCI World Index investment and trying $10 in a fractional share of our top pick, TSM, both with 1-to-1 leverage to emphasize cautious, diversified investing. Let's debunk a financial myth. Myth: always lease a car instead of buying. Truth: leasing can cost more in the long run. Final thought: consider long-term costs before making a choice. Daily Finance Challenge: identify one non-essential purchase you can delay. Can you invest that money instead? Take a moment today to complete this challenge and share your thoughts in the comments. Small steps lead to significant financial success. Remember to research, test strategies, and consult a financial advisor before making decisions. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated and support our channel. Join us next time as we deepen your financial knowledge. We welcome your thoughts, questions, and suggestions in the comments. Enable notifications to never miss valuable insights. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.